everyone. Today I'll be making citrus cornmeal cake. What all goes into the citrus cornmeal cake? For the cake, 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup yellow cornmeal, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 stick, softened, 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup buttermilk. I have low fat, that was all they have. But if you can't find any buttermilk, you can make your own. For every cup of milk, add a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Zest of 1 orange. I may do 2, this is a very small orange. Zest of 1 lemon. 1/4 cup fresh orange juice, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, and for the citrus glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Take a 9-inch round cake pan, then grease the pan. You can use nonstick cooking spray, but I like the butter, so. Then take a parchment paper and stick it in the bottom of the pan. I had already measured it and cut it out. Then set that aside. Take a medium bowl, dump in your 1 cup of flour, your 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And whisk that until combined. So take a large bowl, dump in your 1 stick of unsalted softened butter and your 3/4 cup of sugar, and cream that until light and fluffy. Then add your eggs 1 at a time and beat it after each addition. Mix in your vanilla extract. Then begin adding your dry mix into the butter mix, alternating with the buttermilk. Start with the flour mix and end with the flour mix. Okay, so you wanted to mix this until it's just combined. Scrape down the sides, double check that the bottom, what I have found with some of these stand mixers, it does not get to the bottom, and so sometimes it doesn't get mixed. So I always like to just go to the bottom. Then add your zest of 1 orange, and I was going to do more than 1, but I decided just to do the 1. The zest of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. And stir that in until well incorporated. Looks nice and fluffy. So take your prepared pan and dump in your cake mix into the pan. Hope this turns out good, because I've never made this before, but it sounded good. I would have never thought to put cornmeal into a cake. And then smooth that out. Feels like a cloud. So put your citrus cornmeal cake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when you put it in the center. All right, after 31 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It is browning on the sides. Let's check the center to see if it is done. And it's done. So we'll let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then we'll transfer it to a cooling rack. And then after it's totally cooled, we'll put it on a serving tray. Then I'll show you how to make the drizzle. So I'll see you then. So take a small bowl, dump in your 1 cup of powdered sugar. So depending on the consistency, you may want to add more powdered sugar, more fresh orange juice, or more fresh lemon juice. So we'll take 1 tablespoon of the fresh lemon juice and the 2 to 3 tablespoons of the fresh orange juice. I will do about 2 tablespoons first, and then mix that until nice and smooth and drizzle consistency. It's not a bad consistency, but I am going to add that last tablespoon of orange juice just to give it a little bit, whoop, scared me. Just to give it a little bit more of an orange flavor. And if it's too runny, I'll just add a little bit more powdered sugar. This is 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoons orange juice, 1 cup and 3 teaspoons of the powdered sugar. So take your cooled cake. I do have a drizzle spoon. I don't know if the consistency is good enough for this or not, but we're just going to drizzle. You want it to go down off the sides as well. It's actually soaking it in the cake, which is interesting. I'm trying my whisk to see. Isn't that funny? So we're going to just do the drizzle this way. Since it is soaking in. Okay, not exactly the look I was looking for, but it will work. We're going to let it set up. After it sets up, we can dish up. So here is the citrus cornmeal cake. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks like oops, cornbread or something.
We'll taste it and find out.
Well, it tastes like lemon. Is it lemon cornbread?
It is citrus cornmeal cake. So yeah, kind of like a citrus cornbread.
That's pretty good. It's almost like a glaze on the top.
There is a glaze. It's actually got, in the cake itself, it has oranges and lemons, and the glaze has oranges and lemons.
It's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.